before we get started, we are going to be using Premiere Pro because Final Cut is overrated. So number one is green screen. So to start out, all you really need is just any shot with a green background. It doesn't matter if it's a poster, a painted wall, or just a green cape as long as it's green. When you're recording, make sure you never have shadows on the screen. It'll take away from the effect. So first go to the search bar at the top right of your screen and click Ultra key. And drag it onto your video. And go towards the left of your screen and click the dropper button. And then click the green on your footage. Next up are transitions. There are 6 basic transitions. There are the dissolve,
out there. Thanos already has
the dissolve,
because you stole it last week.
the wipe, the fade, pan or whip, blur, a split screen. Dissolve is a gradual change from the beginning of one shot to the next one. The wipe moves one shot to the other while revealing the next shot. Split screen divides the screen into separate parts and moves off the screen while the next scene is behind the divided one. The blur transition moves one shot to the next while being fully blurry. Pan or whip just moves one shot left and the other shot from the right towards the left, or the other way around. Obviously, there are many more transitions and a huge amount of options, so use whatever transition you think fits best. Here we have this shot. Let's spice it up a bit with some audio effects. So to get the effects you need, go under the search bar and click audio effects and drag the one you want onto your audio. Then you can edit it however you want from there. So my personal favorites are probably Distortion, Alien, and the Bass Boost. Again, there are plenty of audio effects, so pick to your heart's desire. That's all, and thank you for watching.